Good evening, friends. So we are going to discuss about Grindery project, which is backed by the Binance Lab. So I have already given you this project earlier. ये पहले प्रोजेक्ट मैंने दिया था आप लोगों को करेक्ट. So I hope you have seen my old videos. So now I am going to show there is one option that this project is giving us 50% of deposit in G1 token. G1 is Grindery's token. सो दोस्तों यहाँ पे आपको जो भी आप डिपॉजिट करते हो उसका 50% आपको जीवन टोकन के रूप में मिलेगा. सो इट्स योर चॉइस यू वांट टू डू इट और नो. सो मिनिमम डिपॉजिट इज $10 एंड मैक्सिमम डिपॉजिट इज $100, राइट. So we can deposit here. So I will show you that how we can deposit. So they have told that you have to buy these coins and you have to deposit in Grindery wallet. Okay, and they have also told that only deposits of these tokens qualify for the airdrop. So and you have to hold for 10 days. Okay, and you have to complete these tasks before 17th Jan, and on 20th Jan qualified participant will receive their airdrop. So that's mean. तो दोस्तों 10 से $100 के बीच में जो भी आपकी कैपेसिटी है BSC नेटवर्क पे आपको 17 जनवरी से पहले पहले यहाँ डिपॉजिट करना है और 20 तारीख को इसका क्वालिफाई देखा जाएगा और 10 डेज का इन्होंने टाइम रखा है. तो लेट्स सी. आई विल शो यू दैट हाउ वी कैन डू इट. सो फर्स्ट, which coin we can buy? So I think cake is better option because I have just seen its chart. मुझे लगता है केस जो है एक अच्छा कॉइन हो सकता है बाई करने के लिए. You can see this is a monthly chart of cake and the I think lowest rate is $1.05 and right now it's running on 2.14. So yeah, there is because market is dumping, so might possible that your investment get 50% down, but again we are getting 50% airdrop also. तो दोस्तों मैं यहाँ पे केस जो है इसको लेना चाहूँगा रेदर देन बाइंग दिस ऑल सीट्स. सो लेट मी सी वेयर इट इज़ अवेलेबल. So friend, I am using BitGet. So I will buy something here, cake. Okay, and I will buy something here, buy, and I will buy something 1303, confirm. So now I will take the withdrawal. So you can check that I have taken $103. So you can buy $10 also और $11. बेटर देन टेक $11 रेदर देन $10. $10 की जगह आप $11 भी रख सकते हैं. सो आई विल क्लिक ऑन विड्रॉल बट वी नीड अ वॉलेट एड्रेस फर्स्ट. सो लेट मी क्लिक ऑन आवर ग्राइंडरी बॉट. इसको हम पहले क्लिक कर लेते हैं. सो फ्रेंड, दिस हैज़ बीन ओपन. सो नाउ आई विल क्लिक ऑन माई वॉलेट सेक्शन. Try to find our tokens, more tokens. So I will click on more tokens. So import tokens and I will search here in BNB blockchain. So remember we are going to deposit in BNB smart chain. So I will select BNB smart chain and I will search here cake. Right. So let me see cake. So friend, you can check that this is the correct cake. So I will click here cake and let me see more tokens. So you can see that I got cake here. So I will click here and you can see. So friend, what I will do, I will copy this address. So friends, here I will send, click on on chain withdrawal. So now I will paste my address here. So minimum 0.1 I can send. So let me first send 0.1. Okay. So what I will do, I will send 0.5. Okay. So let me first check it. इसको पहले चेक कर लेते हैं भेजने से पहले कि ये पहुंचता भी है कि नहीं. Then we will transfer rest of our cake coin. Why I choose this? Because friend, this is pancake swap. You already knew that pancake swap का ये coin है. Friend, you can see that I have already sent here, so I will wait. So if it is successful, then I will deposit rest of coin. तो पहले मैंने यहाँ टेस्टिंग के लिए ये चेक किया है कि गलत ना हो जाए. सो वेट करते हैं फ्रेंड. So friend, you can see that I have received successfully the balance in cake. So you can see. So now I confidently I can send more amount here. तो दोस्तों अब मैं इसको कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ कि ये हमारा एड्रेस जो है करेक्ट हो चुका है. सो यू कैन चेक ऑल्सो. इट इज़ स्टिल शोइंग ज़ीरो. लेट मी रिफ्रेश इट. इसको रिफ्रेश कर लेते हैं. सो आई विल जस्ट reload this page. So friend, you can see after some time it is showing here. थोड़ी देर मुझे लगी इसको चेक करने में because ये पहले दिखा नहीं रहा था. So now again I will send rest of the coin. So I will copy this address. Okay. I will paste it. I will paste my address here and I will click on all withdrawal. So friend, you can see that I have successfully withdrawal here. Now I will wait here. So I will check. So friend, now you can see that I have received also the 47k something amount. So now I will just refresh it. Okay. So friend, remember that it will take some time to reflect it. इसमें थोड़ा सा आपको टाइम लग सकता है reflect होने में. So don't worry about it. Now again I will close it and I will try to open it. तो ऐसा हो तो 1 से 2 मिनट you have to wait 1 or 2 minutes. So now you can check that I have deposited $102 something and I have successfully received my coin. So this way friend, you can deposit uh, any asset here, right? So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye.